Good morning, grade 10. So, we are with set 2.1, topic 2. In that, we are doing 6th problem, which is complete the following activity and find the value of k. Now, one of the roots of equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0. So, this is the equation given. Is minus 7 upon 5. That means minus 7 upon 5 is the root. So, dash is the root of m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0. Your first blank will be minus 7 upon 5. Now, therefore, put m is equal to minus 7 upon 5 in equation. Now, wherever there is m, I am going to put minus 7 upon 5. So, I have here minus 7 upon 5 plus 2 into again minus 7 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. Let us work out and then we will see what we are going to get. This will be equal to 5 into minus 7 is plus 49. So, we have 49 upon, this is 5 square. That means 5 into 5 will be 25 upon 25. Okay. Plus, we have 2 into minus 7 will be minus 14 upon 5 plus k will be equal to 0. Alright. Now, we have 5 ones are 5 5s are. Therefore, what we have over here 49 upon 5 plus into minus is minus 14 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. So, I think this is your third blank. So, you can, here they have put something. So, we can write here minus means I am doing it like this plus, and then you can put into bracket and put here minus sign because they have asked to put plus sign over here. Are you understanding me? As per our convenience we are doing. Let me write this more clearly. See, this is plus and then in bracket you can put minus sign. So, this is your one bracket and this is your another bracket. That is box plus another box plus k is equal to 0. Alright. Now, let us find out. Now, see, denominators are same. So, we can directly add or subtract the numerators. Plus into minus will be minus. So, I am working out this first. So, it is as good as 49 minus 14 upon 5 plus k will be equal to 0. Now, 49 minus 14 is 35. 35 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. That is, what is 35 upon 5? It is nothing but 7. So, we have 7 plus k is equal to 0. I think this is your second last fill in the blank or box. So, you got 7. This you have to work in your rough notebook. Alright. And directly put 7 plus k is equal to 0. And therefore, what will be the value of k? K will be equal to 7 go that side. So, it will be minus 7. I hope you have understood. Okay. Fine. Let's go for next set. Now, here is set 2.2 solved by factorization. Quadratic equations they have been given to us and we are going to solve it by factorization. Now, see students, from 8th standard, we have studied in detail about factorization. So, I am not going to go in detail, but few things I am going to tell you as we have studied in our school. Asking questions is very important while solving factorization. Now, what questions you should be asking? Look at the last number and the first. So, product of this 2, that should be your product. So, tell two numbers whose product is 54x square. This is your first question. And this will tell you operation. Tell two numbers whose addition will be minus 15. So, I want two numbers whose product is 54x square and whose addition is minus 15x. Now, see, whenever here there is addition sign, both the numbers will have same sign which is over here. Now, everyone know that numbers are easy. We know that 9 into 6 is 54, isn't it? Now, so let us find out the numbers. What are numbers? First is 9 and 6. Now, product should be 54x square. So, this will be x, this will be x. Their addition should be minus 15. Now, both should have minus sign. See, minus and minus. You add up this two, we will have minus 15 as the answer, 15x. And you multiply this two, minus into minus will automatically be plus. And 9 6 will be 54. So please ask the questions. This should be your product. This multiply by coefficient of this. X is only 1, no. So we have 1x. 1x square into 54. So always ask questions. This product of these two coefficients should be taken as product of those two numbers. And this sign over here, that will tell you the operation. Addition should be including this sign you ask the question. Alright, so I am repeating the question again. Tell me two numbers whose addition, now I am excluding x as variable over here. Let us concentrate only on numbers. Only x square is 1x square. So 1 into 54 will be only 54. So what should be your questions? Tell me two numbers whose product is 54 and whose addition is minus 15. Okay, and then you get this. Now you substitute this for your minus 15. So how do we do it? X square minus 9x minus 6x. This becomes minus 15x plus 54 will be equal to 0. Ask questions in factorization. That will tell you the correct answer. Now these two terms and these two terms we are going to group. So in this x is common. So what I will get? X minus 9. In this minus 6 is common. So here I will get only x, and minus into minus will be plus. So I have to put here minus sign, and 6 9s are 54 is equal to 0. One more thing I will tell you. Always we will get these two brackets same. Because then only among this 4 now, among these two terms, we will take one bracket as common. Alright. So please remember, one bracket should always be same during factorization. This is not upon, it is for your understanding I have grouped. Alright. Okay. Now in this 2 what is common? X minus 9 is common. So what remains from here? Only x. From here minus 6. So you have x minus 9, x minus 6 is equal to 0. So product of these two is 0. So either this will be 0 or this will be 0. So you have x minus 9 is 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. So what will be x? X will be plus 9 or x will be equal to plus 6. Alright, I hope you have understood. So what are the roots of the given quadratic equation? 9 and 6. Plus 9 and plus 6. So you can write 9 comma 6 are roots of the given equation. That means if you substitute x is equal to 9 in this equation, your answer will be 0. Or if you substitute x is equal to 6, then also your answer will be 0. That is to say that 9 and 6 are roots. So we got two roots for this equation. Is this clear? Okay, let's go for the next question. Now this is second example. Again, ask questions. Tell two numbers whose product is minus 20x square and whose, now look at this sign, whose subtraction should be plus 1x. Concentrate only on numbers. What should be your question? Tell two numbers whose product is minus 20 but whose subtraction is plus 1. Now, if there is minus sign over here, one more trick I am going to tell you. Two numbers will have opposite signs. And if there is plus sign over here, both the numbers will have same sign. Like in earlier example we have seen. Okay. So here it is minus. So both are going to have opposite sign. And this sign will go to the greater number. Now two numbers whose product is 20 and subtraction is 1 is 4 and 5. Numbers are easy. So what are numbers? Numbers first. We will write 4 and 5. Let us think about the sign now. Now product should be minus 20. So either of these should have minus sign. Then only, so 4x and minus x are two numbers, isn't it? It should be minus 20. So either 4 should have minus sign or plus 5 should have minus sign. But what should be the answer? After subtraction we should get plus 1. We know that after subtraction if answer is plus, bigger number should have plus sign because answer always has the sign of the bigger number. So this should be plus 5x and this should be minus 4x. Now you carry out the product. Minus 4x into plus 5x is minus 20x square. Minus 4x plus 5x is plus 1x. Got it? Now let's write. So you have x square. We have minus 4x plus 5x minus 20 is equal to 0. Alright, so your x is common, x minus 4 plus 5 is common, x minus 4 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Again I am telling you, this bracket should repeat. So once you get x minus 4, immediately write, but this should be correct. Keep this in mind. So what we got, x minus 4 is common. In this too, x minus 4 is common. So what remains? X plus 5 is equal to 0. Alright. So either x minus 4 will be 0 or x plus 5 will be equal to 0. So x will be equal to plus 4 or x will be equal to minus 4. So minus 5 and plus 4 are roots. I hope it is clear. Alright. So we'll stop here, students. Remaining problems, please try asking the questions by yourself. Okay. That's all from my side for today. Thank you.